He says no. And this was in the freezer, so I'm hoping I can cut into it. I want one of these wild berry pieces. I just do. So, where's the line? Okay, I think I found it. So I'm stabbing it like psycho. Yes. Okay, that's one piece. This might be triple chocolate. Could be triple chocolate, could be brownie. We shall see. Oh. Love it. I'm gonna get 3 pieces, and that's gonna be enough. And I'll save 3 pieces for another day. Man, do I want this chocolate one or do I want the strawberry one? I know y'all are probably saying, get the strawberry, get the strawberry. But I got this wild berry already, so I got a berry. And I got the chocolate swirl over there, but I got chocolate. And I got this chocolate one over here that looks dang good. I think this is the brownie. I think this one's got chunks of brownie in it. Okay, y'all, I was thinking about getting the New York duck. You laughing at me?
Yes. Here.
It wasn't. Oh, okay. Yeah, I had a demon in me right then. I was like, that was my fatty demon. He was like, give me that brownie. It's the demon of gluttony. Cast it out.
You're killing me today.
I'm so sorry.
You're killing. It's a good thing I didn't take a swallow. I was about to swallow.
Ah.
Gluttony. Oh my god.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Y'all know me. Okay. I'll put the lid on. But I'm going to save those 3 pieces for another time. The chocolate swirl. I guess that's strawberry swirl. Yeah, I said it. That's chocolate marble. And y'all get a good look before I put this up or pass it on. There's the chocolate marble, the strawberry swirl, and the classic. I'm going to save those for another day. Because you know, this 3 pieces right here is a lot of cheesecake. So, I'm going to pass this on. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, I've been having some nice chats with my ex-husband, Fred. And we've been playing with these filters on the Facebook Messenger that have all the weird faces and stuff. So we've been doing all these stupid voices at each other. So, Lord, I need to record that shit. Oh my God. Yeah, so we're having fun. So his funny kind of rubs off on me. I mean, I'm naturally kind of funny. So, but he's hilarious. He has me rolling constantly. So there's that going on in my life. I'm going into the wild berry. Here I come. Mmm. 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 Oh, it's still a little bit frozen. Mmm. But it's not too hard, so. But it's cold. She's cold. Oh, that is good. And I got 2 chocolate ones over here. Should have put the strawberry in the middle. I'm gonna do that now. Just, oops, sorry, strawberry. Or no, not straw. I apologize. It's not strawberry. It's wild berry. There's a big difference. Ooh, and the taste. And the taste kind of like blackberries. But I know a lot of people are like city dwellers, and they wouldn't know what it's like to go running through a field where you see the cows like down the field a little ways, and you got to kind of beware of the bull, you know, because if the bull sees you, that's your butt, and you better run. You better run and get over the fence fast, or your butt's, well, the saying is your ass is grass. That's how it goes. It's like, I'm sorry, you're not drinking anything, are you?
No, not this time.
But yeah, you go through the fields and stuff. And when I was a kid, and on these big hills where I guess they'd be cow patties or I don't know. There was like big mounds and stuff out there. And I guess they were ant hills, like gigantic ant hills or something. Or they were old or dead ant hills, but they were huge. But up on these hills, there would be lots and lots of wild blackberry bushes. And my nanny, my grandmother, my nanny, she would take me out there and we'd go berry picking all the time. But as a kid, running wild out there, you know, just on my own, I'd go out there and pick berries, and I'd come home and I'd have like scratches from the briars all over my arms. I'd be bloody from it, but my hands would be stained. My face and my fingers would be stained red from those wild blackberries. So when I think of wild berry, that's what I'm thinking about, them wild blackberries. And I love being a kid out in the country. Born free, free as the wind blows. Don't you love it? I mean, you know, there's something to say about growing up in a city. I mean, a city, the concrete jungle, has a kind of wildness to it, you know. But it's just a different kind of animal is all. Mm. Mm. You know, I long for those kinds of days again. You know, and you ain't gonna find that out in the city. Anywhere. You know, simple life. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. And I can handle all that as long as there's Wi-Fi. Man. Oh yeah. Oh man. They get me way out in the mountains, up in the woods somewhere. But as long as I got Wi-Fi, I'm good. I'd be off-grid living. Grow my own food. Granted, I'd lose weight then, you know. just go to the grocery store and get a bunch of ice cream. You have to churn it yourself with a hand crank, more than likely. Oh, that's the brownie. Oh, yes. Milk me a goat or something. Oh, yeah, that's good. And you have white chocolate drizzled on top of the brownie one and the wild berry one. Let me see. Y'all can see up close and personal. I have the ones that I've already like dug into. Should have showed you before I ate them. But I was being a little greedy. I was like, give me that cheesecake. Ooh, and this must be the triple chocolate, and it looks it too. It's got a lot of white running through it, and on this side it's not as white. I know. Oh, I'm scraping. Sorry. Yeah, I used them bamboo utensils a few times, and it's kind of a novelty. I didn't like it that much. I mean, I'm not knocking it. It was alright, but but if I'm careful, you know, I try to catch myself if I'm scraping too much. Try my best to be considerate. Man. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so I like the chocolate ones, but I think the berry one's my favorite. I like the berry. I was really interested in the chocolate though. I don't know why. I keep checking to see if my battery holds out. I had like 2 bars. I shot a video earlier today. But it was a long video, to be fair. Yeah, I'm talking my head off lately. I don't know why. I guess because I'm in such a good mood right now. Ups and downs, man. I got that bipolar thing working. And I haven't been technically diagnosed with bipolar, but I've been treated for it. Now, I'm diagnosed with all kinds of other junk. Is the BPD, borderline personality disorder. That is, it's similar to bipolar, but it's not the same thing. The ups and downs come faster with BPD, so that's kind of what's going on, I guess. Okay. like a roller coaster. Mm. Man. Another dumb 70s song popped in my head. Oh man. I wish copyright wasn't such a jerk. We should just use music like however we want. But everybody gotta get paid. You know, I know that. You know, I like to get paid. You like to get paid. Everybody wants to get paid. So I don't begrudge them that. It's just, you know, when you love something, you would like to be able to just share it however you want, you know. It's like, here, look at this. This is beautiful. I love this. But it's like, if you're using it in something that you're getting paid for, then that's not cool. That's the whole point of copyright. You shouldn't benefit financially off of something somebody else created. Yeah, that's just a thing. Mm. 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 How many of y'all love cheesecake? I know some people, I mean, hell, I know some big people like me that hate cheesecake. I'm like, whoa, what is that?